Hi, I'm Jenny, your Sunny Health and Fitness Trainer, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the Platinum Smart One-Click Fold Treadmill, where premium performance meets effortless convenience. Designed for modern living and serious training, this treadmill delivers powerful features in a sleek, space-saving design. Whether you're walking, jogging, or sprinting, I'm here to show you how this treadmill can elevate your fitness routine right from home. Walking and running are some of the most effective ways to improve cardiovascular health, burn calories, and boost overall endurance. Training on a treadmill also provides a controlled, low-impact environment. Thanks to advanced shock absorption, this treadmill reduces stress to your joints compared to running on hard outdoor surfaces like concrete. That means less impact on your knees and ankles while still giving you an effective workout. Plus, with built-in workouts and smart tracking, staying consistent and motivated has never been easier. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Platinum Smart One-Click Fold Treadmill stand out. First, no assembly required. You can start your fitness journey right out of the box. And when you're done, simply press two buttons to fold it completely flat. It's perfect for storing under a bed or upright in a closet, making it ideal for any living space. Now let's talk performance. With a top speed of 12 miles per hour, this treadmill is one of the fastest in its class. Why does that matter? It means you can progress from light walking all the way to high-intensity sprinting. Whether you're training for endurance, interval workouts, or speed improvement, having that higher max speed gives you room to grow and push your limits. The spacious running deck, measuring 55 inches long and 20 inches wide, gives you the freedom to move naturally and comfortably. A larger deck is especially important for runners with longer strides or those training at higher speeds, helping you feel more secure and reducing the risk of missteps. Take your workouts to the next level with 15 levels of automatic incline. Incline training helps stimulate uphill running, which increases calorie burn, builds lower body strength, and improves cardiovascular endurance, all without needing to increase speed. At the heart of the machine is a brushless motor, designed for smoother, quieter, and more energy-efficient performance. It also requires less maintenance and offers greater durability, so you can count on consistent workouts for years to come. Built with a sturdy frame, this treadmill supports users up to 300 pounds, making it a reliable option for a wide range of users. Stay engaged with 24 pre-programmed workouts and up to 3 custom user programs. These guided workouts take out the guesswork out of training by automatically adjusting speed and incline, helping you stay challenged, avoid plateaus, and reach your fitness goals more efficiently. The bright, modern, flat panel display keeps all your key metrics front and center: speed, time, distance, calories burned, incline, and pulse, so you can track your progress in real time. And for a truly connected experience, built-in Wi-Fi lets you sync with the SunnyFit app, unlocking on-demand workouts, scenic routes, and real-time performance tracking. It's like having a personal trainer right at your fingertips. Before you begin, step onto the side rails and attach the safety key to your clothing. Press the start button and the belt will begin moving at a slow pace. From here, you can adjust your speed using the quick access controls or gradually increase it to match your workout intensity. Want to challenge yourself? Increase the incline to feel your glutes, quads, and calves engage more with every step. You can also select one of the pre-programmed workouts or connect to the SunnyFit app for guided training sessions that automatically adjust your workout in real time. When you're ready to stop, press the pause or stop button and always allow the treadmill to come to a complete stop before stepping off. Once your workout is complete, powering down and storing your treadmill is effortless. With just 2 clicks, the treadmill folds completely flat, no complicated steps required. Slide it under your bed for hidden storage, or fold it vertically to save space in a corner or closet. It's fitness designed to fit your lifestyle. The Platinum Smart One-Click Fold Treadmill combines convenience, performance, and smart technology into one powerful machine. From its high-speed capability and spacious running deck to its incline training, shock absorption, and app connectivity, this treadmill is built to support every step of your fitness journey. With Sunny Health and Fitness, you're not just getting equipment, you're getting a smarter way to train. Be sure to check out the SunnyFit app for even more workouts and guidance from trainers like me. Sunny Health and Fitness delivers premium equipment with a commitment to quality. Backed by US-based support and certified trainers, we offer a truly unmatched, fit-for-everyone experience. Our customer team is committed to excellence, so please reach out to us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in your next workout.